Shan's daily routine. Shan's daily routine is a well orchestrated blend of productivity, self care, and leisure, reflecting his commitment to a balanced and fulfilling life. His day begins early, at 5:30 a.m., with a gentle alarm that stirs him from his slumber. Shan believes in the power of a structured morning, so he starts with a few minutes of mindfulness meditation. This practice helps him center his thoughts and sets a positive tone for the day ahead. By 6 a.m., Shan is out of bed and heading to the kitchen for a glass of warm lemon water. He finds this invigorating and a great way to kickstart his metabolism. He then transitions into a 30-minute workout session, alternating between yoga and light exercises. This routine not only keeps him physically fit but also enhances his mental clarity and energy levels. After his workout, Shan spends about 20 minutes journaling. He writes down his thoughts, goals for the day, and reflections on personal growth. This activity fosters a sense of purpose and direction. By 7 a.m., he is ready for a nutritious breakfast, often a smoothie packed with fruits, vegetables, and protein. He enjoys experimenting with different recipes, always aiming for a balance of taste and health. At 7:30 a.m., Shan showers and gets dressed. He prefers comfortable yet professional attire as he believes it influences his productivity. By 8 a.m., he is at his home office, where he dedicates the first hour to deep work. This is the time he tackles his most important tasks without distractions, whether it's a challenging project, writing reports, or brainstorming new ideas. Around 10 a.m., Shan takes a short break, during which he likes to stretch and have a quick snack, usually a handful of nuts or a piece of fruit. He then resumes his work, focusing on meetings, emails, and collaborative tasks. Shan is a firm believer in efficient time management, so he uses techniques like the Pomodoro method to stay on track. Lunchtime is at 12:30 p.m., and Shan takes this time to relax and enjoy a balanced meal. He often prepares simple dishes with lean protein, whole grains, and plenty of vegetables. Post-lunch, he takes a brief walk outside to get some fresh air and rejuvenate his mind. The afternoon is dedicated to more focused work, often involving creative tasks or strategic planning. Shan finds that his energy levels are well suited for this kind of work during these hours. By 3 p.m., he allows himself another short break, perhaps with a cup of herbal tea and a few minutes of light reading or a quick catch up on the news. Shan wraps up his workday around 5 p.m., after which he spends some time unwinding. He might engage in a hobby, such as playing the guitar, painting, or gardening. Dinner is at 7 p.m., a leisurely meal enjoyed with family or friends. He values this time for connection and conversation. Evenings are for relaxation. Shan likes to read a book, watch a documentary, or simply enjoy some quiet time. By 9:30 p.m., he starts his bedtime routine, which includes a bit of light stretching, brushing his teeth, and setting out his clothes for the next day. He's in bed by 10 p.m., ensuring he gets a good night's sleep to recharge for the next day. Shan's routine, while structured, is flexible enough to accommodate spontaneity and changes, reflecting his philosophy of maintaining balance and harmony in life. Listen and repeat with me.